Well, I told my grandfather I wouldn't leave the tree in case of an emergency. But what if I had to pee? Alright, I'll just make my entrance nice and easy. You won't notice I was gone.
I clearly told him to not leave the tree under any circumstance. Why does he never listen? Sonny!
Yes, Grandpapu?
What have I always said about sneaking out?
Do it.
Don't do any of your funny business with me, 'cause I am a serious woodpecker. Jesse, one day you're going to have to mature. Life isn't all just fun and games, you know.
Okay, fine. I'm sorry, Grandpapu.
Now come on, Jesse. We haven't finished this table. Alrighty. I've always wanted to eat some woody birds. Well, my boy, you see I'm not at a sustainable age.
Oh my gosh, it's the cat!
Hello, little woodpeckers.
Don't worry, Gramps. I got this.
That's right, come to Papa. Alright, Sonny boy, thanks for saving us.
Always a pleasure. Now I know not to question authority now. 'Cause maybe the cat followed me.